If you run a restaurant or a lounge, do you know that you can change your point of sale system depending on how you're serving? You can easily toggle between pay before service, in which the customer has to pay before they eat, or pay after service, in which the customer has to eat before they pay. In your SambaPOS, you can tell the system to do a pay before service during the daytime and a pay after service at nighttime in less than 2 seconds, changing the system from an express pay into a table service pay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in less than 2 minutes. So stay right through and let's get straight into the video. So this is the SambaPOS dashboard. So if you want to change your settings from pay before service or pay after service, all you need to do is to click on manage. Now this works both for SambaPOS 4 and SambaPOS 5. You literally have the same setting. Then you click on department, click on restaurants. Now you click on under select creation method. If you click on select entity, what you're telling the system is that you want to be able to create tables. You want to be able to create tables. You want to be able to click on a table and hang the order in the table. So if you click on select entity and you click on save, this is how your screen is going to look like. It's going to look like it has all the tables from table 1 to table 15. And if you have not watched how to add tables, go back to the previous videos and you're going to see how to create tables. Now, if I don't want to have this table format, I want it to be pay before service. I come back to the same manage, click on settings, department, and restaurant. Yours could be any name, but there will be something there. Then I click on create tickets. So if I click on create ticket and I save, it's more telling the system that you have to create as you go. If I click on the POS, you see that I just have my menu. So it means I can't hang any order. They have to just pay and go. We are not hanging any order at all. So this is where what we call pay before service. Yeah. Then the last but not the least we have in SambaPOS is select tickets. So in this case, you're going to select tickets you're going to use to serve your guests. And this is how it looks like. When you choose the select tickets, now what it actually does is that it's now allowing you, is like a mix between selecting entity and creating ticket. It's allowing you to automatically choose how you want it to look like. Now what do I mean? Now you see that when I open it, it just shows me the restaurant and it's totally empty. If I want to take an order, I can decide to choose an order I want to take. I can even decide to select a customer, but this will not be explained in this video. And if this is all for the customer, I click on close. It hangs there and tell me the table number. If it is an immediate sales, I can as well just go through with the immediate sales. And what I will do is I just click on the immediate sales I want to do, and I click on settle, and it's going to settle. But if it's not an immediate sale I want to do, and I still want to hang this order, I can hang this order. So this gives it the mix of hanging an order, like a table service, and also an express service. So either one you want to use that you feel like it suits your business more, that can be done. Although, do you know that there is a way to make it automatic, that during the day your point of sale works as pay before service, and at night or your selected time it works as a table service automatically. You're not doing it pum pum pum. Are you aware of that? I'll be doing that video, but I'm not sure when yet. But that is actually possible. If you know about the settings, let me know. Apart from that, see you soon in the next video. Bye.